Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys in my YouTube channel. Today friends, I am going to show you guys oppo mobile setting, and in this video friends, I am going to show you guys how to remove and delete oppo mobile lock screen password. Friends, you don't want to use oppo mobile lock screen password, so friends, now let's see how to remove oppo mobile lock screen password one by one, step by step. Friends, we will talk about. So before starting video, first of all, go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. So guys, in your oppo mobile, you don't want to use lock screen password, you want to delete oppo mobile lock screen password. Open your device phone setting. First of all, unlock your device. Friends, you can see I have alphanumeric password, you have pattern password, pin password, 4 to 16 digit password, pin lock password. So unlock your phone first of all. After unlock phone, how to remove lock screen password, how to delete oppo mobile lock screen password. Open your device phone setting. After turn on phone setting, you can scroll down here. Open your phone password and biometric setting. Friends, click here lock screen password setting. Enter your password. After enter password, right click here. Modify password. You want to modify your lock screen password, you want to update your lock screen password, you want to set new lock screen password, so you can use. And if you click here turn off password, so friends, you can check you have your biometric password, face lock and fingerprint. So friends, your face lock and fingerprint lock will delete automatic in your oppo mobile. So friends, you can see I have one face lock data and one fingerprint lock data I have in my oppo mobile. So once you have your face lock data and you have your fingerprint lock data, so once automatic your face lock and automatic your lock screen password will delete if you turn off your lock screen password. So friends, you don't want to use face lock, you don't want to use your fingerprint lock, and you don't want to use lock screen password. Click here, enter your password. After enter password, next turn off password, disable option, enter password again, right click here, lock screen password, delete. Now friends, you can unlock oppo mobile without password. Lock your screen. You want to unlock oppo mobile, you can unlock oppo mobile without password. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. To even doubt you have any problem in oppo mobile setting, so friends, you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye bye friends.